So today in this video we shall factorize 7 minus 12x plus 5x square. So here first expression 7 and last expression plus 5x square both are same. So now we separate 12 into two parts. So 7 plus 5 means 12. So it is minus 7x minus 5x. Minus 7x minus 5x means minus 12x. So now we separate these equations into two parts. These both is first expression and these both are last expression. In the first, the common here is 7. So remaining 7 already came means 1 minus 7 already came x. In the last, the common is minus 5x. So 5x already came, remaining 1 minus 5 already came, 1x came, remaining is x. So now we again find out common in first and last expression. So both contain 1 minus x. So 1 minus x is common and remaining in the first 7, in the last minus 5x. So 1 minus x and 7 minus 5x are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.